Я запитав сьогодні.
Today, I have asked 27 European leaders whether Ukraine will be in NATO. I have asked directly, everyone is afraid, no one answers. But we are not afraid. We are not afraid of anything. We are not afraid to defend our country. We are not afraid of Russia. We are not afraid to talk to Russia.
Не боїмось нічого. На жаль, ми втратили за сьогодні вже.
Sadly, today we lost 137 heroes, our citizens. 10 of them were officers. 316 people have been wounded. They have not surrendered. They will all be awarded posthumously the title of the Hero of Ukraine. Let those who gave their lives for Ukraine be remembered forever.
Всі хлопці. Я залишаюсь в столиці.
I remain in the capital. My family is also in Ukraine. My children are in Ukraine. They are not traitors. They are citizens of Ukraine. According to the information we have, the enemy has marked me as target number 1, my family as target number 2. They want to damage Ukraine politically by destroying the head of state.
Позначив мене як ціль номер 1.